Alright, job of the day. I'm doing a service on this gooseneck horse trailer. I have lights on right now. I just took apart the plug. The center pin on the plug was loose and flopping around, but the plug itself is fine. I got tail lights on. Let's check all tail lights. All the lights on the driver's side and passenger side are working. Looks like we got good tail markers on the rear. All lights are working. Good. Let's check left turn. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. I've got the passenger side in the air right now. Yeah, free spinning on both axles. Rear is locked. Front is not. Okay. Found where the brakes aren't working. Got smashed. So put those back together, see if the brakes work again. There's a lot of play in that. A good thing we're doing a service. Brake is rewired. See if it's working. Believe I heard him turn on. Yep, it is locked up. Okay. Rear brake is in great condition. Magnet is good. Wiring to the magnet is good. Everything's nice and pliable, secure. Hub is in great condition, nice and flat. Seal looks like it blew out, but we're doing new seals, new grease on everything. Everything looks nice and clean. Cool, let's do the front. Brake looks good, everything looks great on it. The seal blew, I think it did. Everything is nice and smooth. No need for hubs, no need for backing plates, just need to do bearings. Hubs have new bearings, new seals. I'm gonna put them on. Got new washers and new tang washers for locking. Castle nuts are still good. I'm gonna put them on. Hub and drums are on. I'm gonna pack the hubs, then adjust the brakes. Front hub and drum is packed on passenger side. Verify tang washer is bent. It is. Dust cap is on. Rear passenger side, verify tang washer is bent. It is. Hub is packed. Dust cap is on. All hubs are packed. New bearings, new seals, new grease. They are all adjusted. They were crazy out of adjustment. Took me a little bit to get them, but slightly rubbing on the brakes. Butt connectors are shrunk wrap. So I'm putting tires back on, and oh, I need to test the brakes. Can't put them on yet. Gotta test it. Brake is on, locked up. Rear is on, locked up. Perfect. Inspect her tires as I roll. Everything looks good. No cracking. Sidewall looks good. Sidewall looks good. And front tire, same thing. No obvious cracking. Sidewall looks good. Sidewall looks good. Tires and wheels are on. I'm gonna do driver's side. A bunch of play like there was on the other side. Oh yeah. These brakes got a little smashed. Oh, they came apart. I think I may need to change, yep, I gotta change this backing plate. How about this brake? This brake came apart as well, but where does it tie in? Aha, right here. All right, so we need to tie in the brakes, and she needs one new 12-inch backing plate right there. I'm gonna change this front 12-inch electric backing plate. New backing plate is on, front and driver's side. Rear driver's side is okay, it just needs a magnet clip, and I'll grab one right now. Seals on the driver's side were also blown out. Hubs with new bearings are on, and just packing everything up. Driver's side front, hub is packed, grease is through the bearings, tang washer is bent. Rear driver's side, hub is packed, grease is through the bearings, tang washer is bent. I need to adjust these brakes, and then all this wiring is smashed out, so I'll fix all the wiring. Alright, wiring is roughed in, it's not shrunk wrap. It is shrunk wrap on the back here. I cut out there were some Scotch locks that I cut out just to make sure all the connections were good. But let's test brakes. All brakes are adjusted. Brakes are on, locked up on the rear, locked up on the front. All brakes work. All brake wiring is shrunk wrap on the rear, and it is shrunk wrap on the front. Let's get these tires and wheels on. Rear tire looks good. No visible cracking. Sidewall. Do have some cracking on the sidewall, so I'll let her know about that. Yeah, some cracking on the inside sidewall. I will let her know. Front tire looks good. No cracking on the sidewall. No cracking on the sidewall. So just driver's side rear probably should be replaced because there's cracking on the inside of the sidewall. And torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts are torqued. And this trailer's done. New bearings, new seals, new grease, one new backing plate, driver's side front. All brakes are adjusted. All brakes are rewired. There was 3 that were not wired in. The only one that was wired in when I got here was the passenger side rear. All lights work, left turn, right turn work, brakes work. I cleaned up the 7-way plug. The center pin fell apart inside and was rattling around, so I took that out. This trailer's done and I'm on to the next.